Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add effects in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add effects in your photos, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now choose the photo that you want to edit. Now here, you can see different options at the bottom. Simply click on Edit and you can see different options like light, color, blur, effects. Select the effects option and now you can tweak the settings from here just like this to make the photo look better. And just like that, we can add effects in our photo in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.